In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Adobe Express. If you want to give your design a little more movement or make your text fit a specific layout. Rotating text is a quick and simple tool to use. Adobe Express makes this very easy once you know where to look. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the canvas, where the text you want to adjust is already visible. This could be a flyer, presentation slide, social post, or any other design. Before rotating anything, it helps to zoom in a little if your text is small, so you can clearly see the controls around it. Next, click on the text box on your canvas. Once the text box is selected, you should see its bounding edges and editing handles appear around it. This lets you know Adobe Express is ready for you to move, resize, or rotate that specific text element. Be sure you've selected the full text box and not just placed your cursor inside the text for typing. Now look for the circular arrow handle just outside one of the corners of the text box, usually near the bottom. This is the rotation control. It may appear slightly separated from the main box, so if you don't notice it right away, just look closely around the outer edge of the selected text area. When you find that handle, press and drag it with your mouse to rotate the text freely. As you drag, the text will spin in the direction of your movement, allowing you to place it at whatever angle works best for your design. You can keep adjusting until it looks visually balanced on the page. This is especially useful for creative layouts, labels, or designs where straight horizontal text doesn't quite fit. If you want more precision, hold the Shift key while dragging. This makes the rotation snap into cleaner angle increments, such as 15-degree steps or common right-angle positions. That can be really helpful when you want your text to look perfectly aligned rather than slightly off. It's a small trick, but it gives you much more control and can make your finished design feel more polished. Once the text is at the angle you want, you can simply release your mouse and continue editing the rest of your project. And that's it. That's how to rotate text in Adobe Express.